Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 20 and we're targeting our shoulders and triceps. And in this video we utilize the upgraded resistance bands that GR8FLEX customer service sent me in response to the previous ones that I had and the issues that came with it. And I'm satisfied with these bands as they are a little shorter in length and provide more resistance. I have not yet been able to max out the machine with these bands, so there's still range on the table in terms of resistance. In workout number 20, you'll find 2 circuits with 3 exercises per circuit, 10 reps per exercise, and we're doing 4 sets. We'll be taking a 30-second break between sets and I'll provide the timer, and we're increasing in resistance with the completion of each set. In circuit 1, we have inverted shoulder press, tricep pull downs, inverted lateral raise. In circuit 2, shoulder press, lying tricep extensions, and straight arm raises. And I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each set as needed, but I recommend you just go from start to finish. Have a good workout, let's go. In circuit 1, we have the inverted shoulder press, and I have my body low enough on the glide board so I can get my chest at the wing bar attachment on the decline. So a little update on this challenge. This is workout number 20 and I plan to go up to 24 total workouts, which will take us at a total of 2 months since the start of this challenge, and then I plan to do a progress video to conclude this challenge. Here we have the lying tricep pull downs, and I have one 20-pound resistance band engaged for this first set, and you want minimal movement in your shoulders to fully isolate your triceps in this exercise. Jumping right into the lying lateral raise. I'm at the 5th level on the tower with 1 resistance band at 20 pounds engaged. Arms by your side and fully extend sideways to complete this exercise. Here we have the start of circuit number 2, our first set with a shoulder press. I have one 20-pound resistance band engaged at the 14th level on the tower, and that's 14 out of 15. So with this exercise, I get up to 65 pounds of total resistance with the bands. I have not yet been able to fully maximize the machine. So like I mentioned in the introduction, there's still range in terms of resistance left on this machine. Jumping right into the tricep extensions, and I keep the resistance consistent with that first exercise, the shoulder press. Here we have the straight arm raise with one resistance band at 20 pounds and the 5th level on the tower. And the whole purpose of doing this exercise on your knees is to get your body higher on the glide board. So notice how the pulleys are in line with the wrist area on the decline, and it allows you to pull upward to complete this exercise. Alright guys, that's the end of workout number 20 where we targeted our shoulders and triceps. This is workout number 20 out of 24. I decided to conclude this workout after 2 months. I think that's plenty of time to decide if this type of machine can produce results. So when I finish workout number 24, I'll do a progress video to conclude this challenge. Regarding this workout, reach me in the comment section with any feedback or comments. Thanks for watching. God bless.